Are you looking to take your marketing campaigns to the next level? In today's competitive landscape, data is your secret weapon. In this video, I'll show you how to use GoHighLevel analytics to refine and improve your marketing campaigns. First, let's talk about why data-driven marketing is crucial. Data helps you understand what's working and what's not. It reveals patterns and trends that allow you to optimize campaigns, identify customer behavior, and fine-tune your targeting efforts. With GoHighLevel's analytics, you can access real-time reports on your campaigns, giving you the power to adjust strategies on the fly. Now let's get hands-on with GoHighLevel. Head over to the Reporting tab on the dashboard. Here you'll find various metrics like open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and more. Campaign Overview. This shows the big picture of your marketing efforts, summarizing the performance of all your campaigns. You can click on specific campaigns to dive deeper into each one's performance. Here are the key metrics you should focus on to improve your campaigns. Conversion rate, the percentage of users who complete the desired action. By analyzing conversion rates, you can tweak your messaging or offers. Click-through rate, the ratio of users who click on your ad or email to those who view it. A low CTR signals a need to revise your call to action or content. Now that you've gathered insights, it's time to act. Experiment with different headlines based on which versions get the most clicks and conversions. Analyze audience data to refine your targeting. Focus more on high-performing segments. Use timing data to send campaigns when your audience is most active. With these small adjustments, you can drive massive improvements in your results. And there you have it. Sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial today. Be sure to schedule your kickoff call using the link in the video description to get the most out of your free trial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more marketing insights.